drum is known to be reclusive, living in underwater caves and tide pools.
When it comes to violence, we are not exclusive. We'll kill anyone. We don't follow rules.
Timberjacks are truly giant creatures, fully monsters with razor-sharp wings. Those are just some of our best features. We also scratch and bite and sting. Everyone, we need your lines. Dragon 5, 6, 7. This is a dragon education. Embrace the variation. You better take a good look. Bend your legs, bend your legs. It's a turn. You got a lot to learn. That's right. Study the book. We're extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous.
Killed on sight.
Now switching.
Cauldrons will scald you with our water.
Shady wings have acid that will scar. Silverbacks will bury you. This ground will carry you. Too scary thing within their repertoire. This is a dragon education. Embrace the narration. You better take a good look. Take your legs. You've got a lot to learn. This way. Study the book. Extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous.
Killed on sight.
Good, now big dragon.
Killed on sight. There's really nothing on Night Furies?
Yeah, even we're kind of scared of those. It's true.
My speed's unknown. I work alone. I blend into the night. A bolt of lightning, I'm the most frightening.
But the Achilles heel of any dragon, even a Night Fury.
If you know me, if you